Children's mental health to me means that children can express their feelings and improve their mental health.
What helps you feel more positive?
Speaking to my friends or watching TikTok.
For me, it's sleeping or talking to my mum.
Rugby.
Speaking to my friends, family.
I enjoy music, so I do a lot of music, I do it in work, and that's something that really is positive for me.
I've got a back massager at home, so obviously that physical and relaxation is really, really important.
Who do you talk to when you're feeling down?
I talk to my mum and my nan. I speak to my closest family and friends.
My mum, my dad, my auntie, my uncles, my nans and gramps.
My family, my mum, my cousin.
Friends, probably my line manager, and family.
Why do you think it's important to understand your feelings?
So you don't keep it all bottled up and make it progressively worse.
If you don't understand your own feeling, you don't know how you can best take care of yourself and ensure that you're doing the best you can.
Having a routine, doing what you enjoy doing, having a hobby.
So mine's writing, so I do that when I'm feeling overwhelmed because it helps me escape how I'm feeling sometimes, just so I can relax my mind, and then I can talk to people then when I'm feeling a bit more relaxed.
Writing down your feelings like you do to control your emotions and just doing it in a positive way, whether that's music or writing or just through art.
If I'm feeling anxious or stressed, it's really important for me to identify that, but also look at the triggers, and because by doing that you can also start looking at how you're going to overcome that and obviously manage those more effectively.